What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Josh. You can call me JD, and I am excited to do this review. You know we love the Nike Dunk High on this channel, and I will be talking about one of the best colorways to drop so far this year. I will be reviewing the Nike Dunk High in the Varsity Maize colorway. What up, guys? So in this video I will be breaking down the shoe. We'll talk a little bit about the history of this colorway. We'll get into the quality of this sneaker, how to style these. We'll even get into some resale predictions, and as always I will be giving you guys that on-feet look, so make sure you stick around until the end of the video. These released back on December the 9th. I unfortunately took an L on this, so what I did was I went on my Instagram. I asked you guys if you managed to cop a size 11, if you were selling one, and I want to give a huge shout out to one of my subscribers, Milan from the Netherlands. He had a few pairs of these and he sold me a size 11 for retail. So really huge shout out to you, Milan. This is a pair that I really wanted for personal, so really appreciate the retail deal. So we have seen the Dunk High Retro in quite a few colorways this year, but out of all of them, this one probably has the most amount of history behind it. We first saw this colorway back in 1985. It was part of the Be True to Your School pack. The colorway represents the University of Iowa, but this colorway is actually most famous for something completely different, and that is the Wu-Tang Clan. Back in 1999, there was a Wu-Tang Clan Nike Dunk High released to friends and family only. One of the highest resale pairs of Nike Dunks out there. The resale right now is well into the 5 figures. It had the Wu-Tang Clan logo at the back of the shoe. This is the exact same colorway, a much cheaper version. You can probably get some shoe customizer to do the Wu-Tang logo at the back if you really are a big fan of the group. The colorway on this sneaker features an all-over Varsity Maize and black color blocking scheme. I personally really feel like the color yellow looks really good on this silhouette, the Dunk High. Not only do I have the Michigan pair of Dunks, I also have this one, the Varsity Maize. This is just a white and yellow color blocking, and yeah, I just love how yellow looks on the Dunk Highs. Out of all the other Dunk Highs that dropped this year, this one for me is the best quality. The leather is the softest. One of my subscribers, actually, I will leave his handle down in the description. He is actually a leather expert, and he told me that the Dunk Lows and the Dunk Highs this year, they seem to have a much smaller coating of polymer on the shoe compared to some of the Jordan 1 highs. And basically, polymer is like this coating you put on top of leather to kind of hide the fact that it is cheap leather. So not only do I think that the leather quality on Dunks has been better than Jordan 1s this year, the leather experts themselves are saying so. It is a very loud colorway, but surprisingly, the black and yellow I think contrast really well together. And Travis Scott has been actually wearing this shoe quite a lot this year. He wore it during the McDonald's campaign. The shoe surprisingly looks pretty good with some dark pants like brown or olive. I'm just rocking them here with some olive cargos, a black hoodie, keeping it simple. The shoes do all the talking on this outfit. Surprisingly, a very loud colorway like this looks pretty good with most pants out there. Alongside the yellow laces, you also get a pair of white and black laces. I'm probably gonna keep the yellow on my pair though. I'm gonna get into some resale predictions as well. Before I do that, make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. I had a look at my analytics, and most of you guys watching my videos aren't really subscribed to the channel. It really helps me out a lot if you guys hit that subscribe button, and of course like this video if you found it useful. Getting into resale, so what we've seen so far this year with the Dunk Highs is that resale is definitely nowhere near as good as the Dunk Lows. Some of the recent releases like the Michigan pair, and even more so the pure platinums that released, the resale prices are very low, well under $200. In my opinion, Dunk Highs are probably the best steals out there right now when it comes to resale. You're getting really nice colorways and good quality for pretty cheap. If you cop these just for resale, you're wondering whether to hold or sell, what I would do is I probably wouldn't sell them on some of these platforms like StockX and GOAT. I would try to sell these locally to get as much profit as you can. I don't actually recommend holding them. They are going to go up in value, but just not so much that it's actually worth holding on to. You're better off putting your money elsewhere in releases that will probably rise in value much faster. For example, the Jordan 1 Mochas. So I would sell them right now. And once again, if you want to maximize the amount of profit you can make on this, I would try to sell them locally. For those of you who took an L and you wanted a cop, I don't see resale dropping too low on these, especially in the bigger sizes. There seems to be more demand. So I would probably just go ahead and cop right now. I will leave a StockX affiliate link in the description. So finally, for me, are these a cop or a drop? So I need to first of all backtrack something I said in a couple of videos ago. When I dropped my top 10 sneakers of the year video, I gave the number 8 spot to this sneaker right here, the Nike Dunk High Michigan. I said that it was my favorite Dunk High to drop this year. I'm gonna go ahead and officially change that to the Dunk High in the Varsity Maize colorway, mainly because of the quality. The quality on this sneaker definitely, at least it feels a lot nicer than it does on the Michigan pair. In terms of the colorway, I can't really say I prefer one more than the other. They do look pretty similar. It's just for the quality. The quality is much better on the Varsity Maize pair, so I'm gonna go ahead and say this is my favorite dunk to come out in 2020. So yeah, especially at these prices, these are 100% a cop. Let me know down in the comments, what do you guys think of the Nike Dunk High Varsity Maize? And make sure you guys follow me on Instagram as well. That's where I drop a lot of my fit pics, and it's also the easiest place to contact me. The handle is right here. It is at JDKick6. The on-feed portion of the video coming up right now. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me once again. Special shout out to Milan for the retail hookup. And until next time, guys, peace.